step into the Dodge 2019 Grand Caravan SE. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Enjoy these notable features: 40 GB hard drive W/28 GB available, 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, audio jack input for mobile devices, CD player, radio, 430, air conditioning, front dual zone AC and rear air conditioning. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.